In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order from Taobao. Start by opening the Taobao website. If you prefer an English-friendly layout, use world.taobao.com. If you're comfortable with Chinese or want the full interface, go to taobao.com. If the page appears in Chinese, you can right-click in Chrome and choose Translate to English or use your browser's built-in translate tool. Next, log into your Taobao account. Click Log In, then pick a method that suits you. QR code, SMS, or password. Complete the slider verification, and if you choose SMS, keep your phone nearby to enter the code promptly so the session doesn't time out. Use the search bar to find your item. English works, but Chinese keywords are usually more accurate and bring better results. For example, laptop stand is biji ben jia, shoes is yezi, and bag is bao bao. Copying a translated keyword often improves matches. Filter the results to spot reliable listings. Set a price range, check the store rating, and look at the sold count to gauge popularity. Reviews with buyer photos are especially helpful for seeing true colors, sizes, and build quality. Click a promising item to open its full details. On the product page, confirm all the important details. Choose the correct variant, like color, size, or model. Verify that the seller can ship domestically to your forwarder's warehouse. Review recent feedback. Note the seller rating, and check the estimated weight, since that affects shipping fees later. If you're ready, click Add to Cart. If you're still comparing, add it to Favorites so you can return easily. Open your cart from the icon at the top right. Review each item carefully and double-check variants and quantities to avoid mistakes. Proceed to checkout by clicking Settle or Checkout, sometimes shown as GS1. Add a shipping address. If you're in the Philippines, Taobao typically doesn't ship directly, so use your forwarder's warehouse address in China. Popular options include J&T Global Shipping, Buy and Ship, DPX, DHL Taobao Consolidation, and Kuwaiti Forwarders. Enter the name, warehouse address, the phone number provided by your forwarder, and the correct postal code. Copy the details exactly as given, including any member code. If your forwarder requires it, then save. Choose a China domestic shipping method. Courier, labeled Kuwaiti, is usually the cheapest. EMS costs more. Some sellers offer warehouse shipping. Pick the option that fits your budget and timeline. Select your payment method, Alipay, debit or credit card, Alipay International, or in some cases, indirect options supported by your forwarder. Confirm your choice and place the order by clicking Tijiao Ding Dan. After purchase, track your order in Taobao. You'll see when the seller ships and when it's delivered to the warehouse. Your forwarder app will notify you. In the forwarder app, confirm the package, pay international shipping to the Philippines, and choose Air or Sea. Air is faster, Sea is more economical. Finally, receive your package. Air usually takes 5 to 10 days, and Sea around 20 to 45 days. And that's it. You've successfully ordered from Taobao.